Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all dresses under 500 rupees from Myntra. Now they are like more of ethnic type from that category. So at first I have this Gerua from this brand Gerua, and I really like the fitting of this brand Gerua. I tried it for the first time. So this is like in turquoise blue color. It's emperor dress and it's like kind of festive wear kind of. You can there is all golden work all over it. It's a bit thin material, like to wear it as a dress. It's like kind of a see-through, not much, but yeah, it is see-through. You get this beautiful golden buttons kind of in front, and then it is like anarkali type. It doesn't have, it has side cut, but it is like a bottom only little part. There are nice peacock designs all over it. It looks really pretty. So because it is just transparent kind, I paired it with navy blue kind of leggings, and like that also it looked very nice. This is medium size. The cost of this is 1699, but I got it for 499, and they had mentioned that it is viscose rayon, but I felt that it is cotton. Next I have again from the same brand Gerua. This is 1399 rupees, but I got it for 499, and even this one is a bit like thin material. So you get this silver beautiful thing around neck, and this is the hand. The design that is there on hand is full design what is there on the back also. This fits very well. This is medium size. Got it for 405 rupees, and it is cotton. And for the previous one, the price was also dependent on the size, which size you choose. This is how it looks from front, and this is how it looks from behind. This design is there on the sleeves also. They have got 3/4 sleeves, and it doesn't have side cut. It looks really pretty. If you all feel that it is transparent, then you can pair it with white leggings. It looks nice. Then I got from the brand Onok. It is yellow printed A-line cotton dress. This is for 1499 rupees, but I got it for 336 rupees. This one is also very much transparent compared to the previous two. This one is more transparent, like to wear it as a dress. Then you get attached belt of cloth only, and it have got tassels at the end. It looks very pretty. And this one also I paired it up with the leggings, kind of pinkish leggings that I had. I paired it with that. This was for 336, and the original is 1499. And the last one is again from the same brand and from the same pattern also like previous one, but this material is very nice. It's thick. You can wear it like a dress also. The cost of this is 1499, and I got it for 336 rupees. This have got normal sleeves, round neck, and this is also medium size, and you get belt along with this also. This is the original color how it is. The previous clip it was not looking that much original color. This is the original color of it. I'll leave down the link of this in the description box so you can check it out if you like.